Alright, so I would like to show you the two types of solar panels. The first type of residential solar panel. Okay, because there's so many types of solar panels. Now you find solar panels in space rockets today. You find solar panels in solar cars. Those types of solar panels are industrial solar panels, all right? But for this purpose of this video, for this class, I am going to show you the two major type of residential solar panels, all right? So the first is our monocrystalline panels, and then the second is our polycrystalline panel. Now, I'm going to give you some keys on how you can know what and which type of panels are these immediately you see them in the market. But I know many people have been scammed and cheated, when they go to the market getting the right type of panels. Now, the first key you need to know about monocrystalline panel and polycrystalline panel is this. Monocrystalline panels always have this hexagonal shape. Alright, monocrystalline panels always have an hexagonal shape. So whether it's a black panel or it's a white panel you want to purchase, okay, immediately you see that the edges are not hexagonal but they are square, you just immediately know that that is a polycrystalline panel and not a monocrystalline panel. Alright, so the second is this. The monocrystalline panel is dark in color. Monocrystalline panels are darker in color, alright, when compared with polycrystalline panels. Please take note of this. Take very special note of this, so you won't get scammed when you want to go into installation, and then your prospects or your customers will start saying you don't know what you're doing. No, please, it's important you take note of this. Alright, now another key you need to also know is this, that many times you see a panel is so big, but then when you measure the voltage, you see that it's not giving you the right volts that you want. Now the reason for this is because of to know the good or quality type of panels, you always see that they come with at least 5 conductors inside them. Count when you see inside this box, for example, if you are purchasing a polycrystalline panel, you will notice 5 conductors inside them. Now for Canadian panels or fairly used panels, you will notice that it's just 2. You just find just 2. What that means is just 2 conductors carrying current from that cell. Alright, so that's another thing you need to also take note of. Depending on the budget and depending on the pocket of your customer, if you want to go for a quality type of panel, I would suggest you count the number of conductors inside each cell and ensure that they are up to 5. Then that's how you will use to know, okay, this is a 100 watt panel, this is a 180 watt panel, this is a 150 watt panel. Alright, okay, so that is just a bonus tip for you for joining this class. And I can't wait for us to start our calculation in the next class, because the next class we're going to look at how to size our inverter and how to know which type of inverter to install. So that's the beginning of our calculation class, and I can't wait to see you in that class.